Take a ride in the 2013 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, airbags, front knee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.